Now let's take a look at how to create a compute engine via console. Step 1. Verify if you have the compute admin IAM role assigned. In the screenshot, GCP user at ctech-academy.com will be creating the VM and has compute admin IAM role assigned to it. Step 2. Select the navigation menu and then compute engine and then VM instances. Select create instance. Step 3. In the machine configuration, specify the name, choose the region, zone, and machine type. We have chosen machine type E2 medium as an example. Step 4. In the OS and storage section, hit change and select Red Hat Enterprise Linux and choose pay-as-you-go option. Step 5. Next, in data protection section, you can choose the snapshot schedule. In this case, we are leaving it as is. Step 6. In networking section, we get to pick the network, subnetwork, and choose the option of ephemeral to create the external IP. Step 7. Leave observability, security, and advanced as is for now and hit create. If you get the below error, grant GCP user at ctech-academy.com service account user role and retry. In your case, you will assign service account user role to the service account that you are using. Step 8. Click edit and retry and then hit create again. You will now see that the instance is created successfully. Step 9. SSH into the newly created VM via browser window. Or you could SSH into the newly created VM via gcloud commands. That's it. Your newly created compute engine is ready for use.